Here is some information to help you understand the notion of scoring in this game. So when do you say that you have to score or that the player scores? And the answer is if the arrow hits the target. What does it mean for the arrow to hit the target? It means that the arrow relatively very close to the zero of y line, okay, so very close to zero of the y line, the x of the arrow, it is within the edges of the circle or of the target. That means that the x of the arrow, let's say this is the arrow, the x of the arrow, it is relatively within the x of the circle, and you have to take into consideration what we mean relatively close to the x. It means that it has to be from x, from this r, which is the radius, right, to this r of the radius. So as long as the arrow is within from the r to r, right, and that you have to calculate what does it mean this r in relation to the x, what is the value of this r in relation to the x. As long as the arrow, when it's very close to 0 of y, it is between those values, then you score, and as we said, the score goes up by 5 if you hit the target, and if you miss the target, the score goes down by 2. So that's why I have a negative 2. So with that in mind, you can try to implement the scoring. If you have another way, it is okay with me. Good luck.